Is your 13 to 16 Accord V6 making this noise? Well, if so, Honda has issued a Tsb for an issue between clearance between the torque converter and the starter. The fix for it is to replace the starter and rotate the torque converter clockwise 1 bolt hole. After getting your vehicle up into the air, you're going to go ahead and remove this cover right here. It's 10mm bolts holding this cover on. Go ahead and get all your torque converter bolts out. They're going to be 10mm as well. Then you're going to want to rotate the torque converter 1 bolt hole. Now go back and hand install all of the bolts. Don't tighten anything up, just tighten them up by hand. Once you got all those bolts in, you're going to want to torque it down to 9 foot-pounds and then mark the first one so you know where you began. Continue this procedure for the torque until you get all of them torqued up. Reinstall your cover. Now we're going to go up top. Go ahead and remove your air dam and your battery out of the way. There's going to be 3 clips on your air dam, and there's 10mm for the battery. Start with your negative post first. Once you get that out of the way, you're going to remove this bracket right here that's held on with a 10mm bolt. Next, disconnect your electrical connector and then remove your main lug. The main lugs can be 12 or 13mm depending on whether they have an aftermarket starter in it. Next is going to be 14mm. I use a 14mm swivel for this. Take care not to damage your gasket as you're pulling it out. I usually just set it to the side. Reinstall the gasket and kind of hold it into place as you're lining the starter back up. This is gonna be a pain and it might take you a couple times to get it done. Go ahead and reinstall all your bolts, clips, battery, air dam, and you should be good to go from there. Thank you for watching. If this video has helped you in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps us out tremendously in growing the channel.